Guys, I'm all alone. It's been pouring like a hurricane out here,
That doesn't make
literally
any
since
sense.
last night. Yeah, it like just think if a hurricane was made of rain. That's what it was. If it was. I'm not saying that it is. I'm just saying.
Sid's not amused.
Oh, Sid. You're so cute. Hello, Jacob. Oh, that's not Jake. That was Sid. Okay.
Oh, I'm not insulted actually.
No, I know. You would be a dog. You would be a dog.
Sid's a beautiful dog.
Well, we can get this dog and pony show on the road then.
I think that's a good idea.
You like that? I need to,
I see what you did there.
That was funny. That was really funny.
See what you did there.
Jackie, you're like a low-key comedian, I feel like. Like, you have these one-liners sometimes that just crack me up, man.
somebody replied talking about my humor in the course. I was like, what do you mean? Because I honestly didn't think I was being that funny, but he said, where you say we're cooking with grease, he said I had to Google it.
So we're gonna have to have subtitles for not only for Jess but also for Jack.
Yeah, this is what he means when he said that.
Yeah, it'll be like definitions from the South.
Yeah.
Yeah, every time you say something from the South, it'll pop up and it'll give an English translation.
It's be one of those little thought bubbles,
The little paperclip guy.
Yeah. Oh, anyway. Man, I really don't have a lot to report. Still working on the Couture course. Got about a week and a half to try to get that wrapped up. Going pretty good. I've got a lot of recording ahead, but I'm getting the code from the API course converted over into Swift, and so far everything's going pretty good. I really like it. To be honest with you, if you went through the API course and then you look at Swift code with Couture, it really looks very similar, which just kind of blew my mind. But the way they structured everything with the routers and all that, it's all real similar. So anyway, looking forward to that. And that's pretty much all I've been working on. Now that Jacob's getting back home and gets back to work on the apps and everything, we'll probably move forward on the API some. But that's what I got, man. What about you, Evan?
It's good stuff, man. Had a little bit of a lighter day. I was cleaning some stuff up around here, but basically cleaning up the YouTube channel, making a ton of thumbnails, working with Caleb, and still making images for the Mac app. And I'm thinking about ways we could grow our email list too, aside from what we've been doing. So I've been entertaining the thought of like webinars, like joint venture webinars with like other people where our students could find value in it, and then maybe like interviewing our students like on a little more formal level, so that students can get excited about like what they could accomplish rather than us having them give testimonials, something like that. So it's been on my mind. But that's all I got.
Awesome, man. Good stuff. There's all kinds of things, I don't know. Maybe we need some kind of document somewhere for, throwing ideas into, because I don't know if you're like me or not, but once I get an idea in my head, I'm liable to lose it if I don't write it down within 10 minutes or so. So I don't know if that'd be a good idea or not, but you there, Evan?
Yeah, sorry. I think my internet kind of cut out for a second, but I'm going to make a Trello board for it. And I'll put like trying to grow email lists or, connecting with students. And then if anybody has any ideas, yeah, absolutely throw them in there. Cause I think we all need everybody's brain power behind it.
Yeah. Some kind of just a repo where people could throw ideas into if they have one. So
that's a good idea. I like that.
Yeah. All right, cool. What about you, Jacob? I know y'all are driving.
Yeah, I don't have much today. I'm living through Johnny's work right now and Pearson's work, but we are home in 3 hours, and I'll be able to knock a lot out tomorrow. So it'll be good to be back and be able to concentrate on work again.
1.5 times 2.
Yep.
All right. Johnny B.
I had a pretty good day. I got, let me post into Slack real quick what I wanted to show. So I've been working on implementing some of the functionality we're going to be using once we get the user data in. So I just made up a little mock user data model so that I can start working with stuff. So I've been working in the courses view controller today, getting it so it'll keep track of which courses are owned and update the UI accordingly. And then also you can so that when you click on the by course button, that it'll throw up a little pop-up and show you how many coins you need, if you need more, or let you buy it. And that's all working with delegates, and it's coming together. It's looking good.
That's awesome, man. You want to present that to
Nice.
everyone real quick? Let's give everybody a taste of what that looks like.
I'm pumped, man.
Let me pull this up.
But just a taste, though.
Yeah, give us a little sampler.
Little tease.
Am I sharing? It's always screen share. I'm presenting. This never works for me. I'm clicking on the screen share button on the left, but nothing is happening.
I hit present to everyone for you. Let's see. Try it now.
Yeah, nothing. When you guys click on the little green monitor with the arrow popping out, it says screen share, right?
Yeah, it pops up
does that-
another window.
Yeah, that's not happening for me. Nothing pops up when I click
Maybe
on
a
the
pop-up blocker or
Well,
something.
we don't want to see it anyway.
Yeah, we'll call that a failed experiment.
All right.
We'll talk that
We'll
up.
show it next time.
If
Trust Johnny. It's really good.
That was a tease.
Sorry, man.
if you want to
Trust
show-
us, it looks really good.
if you want to present on your screen and show that GIF, I guess you could.
All right, I can do that. So let me present it, and then maybe.
I just love that Johnny has "Hi Mom" on his whiteboard behind him.
That's right.
There we go.
I don't want to learn. Oh, that's good.
Man, this is looking great. I think the Mac app is going to be awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
The iOS
Johnny.
app is really cool, but in that limited form factor, I think the Mac app is going to be the bee's knees.
And that
Yeah.
in no way reflects the how cool the iOS app is, by the way. Too.
No, not at all.
Well, what's great too
Oh,
is
I
when
agree.
when
The
we-
Mac app is going to be the foundation of everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's great too, for anybody that's listening, that is that the when we have the marketplace and the news and stuff, right? There's times where you're on your phone, and there's times where you're obviously on your laptop or computer. So if we have like a job posting, stuff that you can buy that's new in the marketplace, you'll get a push notification on your phone, and so that'll be crucial still too, and you'll be able to interact from there. Catch on the train, at a restaurant.
Well, you
So-
could draw the analogy kind of between the iPhone and the Apple Watch, right? Where you get notifications on your watch, but in order to do stuff, you go into the phone,
Yeah,
Kind of be similar,
that's
but-
perfect.
Yeah.
Cool.
Awesome, man. Let me stop presenting. Pearson, you ready, man?
Yeah, I'm just responding to my princess. All right. So, today I really dove into this lesson player VC. Got to know it intimately, and spent a few hours studying. Well, not studying, but just learning about it, making sure I understood how it works, and then I went into implementing. And when I I, I grabbed the phone and I looked at the contacts page because that's what Evan wants to emulate. And so I looked at it and I thought, wait a minute, it's just another view inside the table view that actually just gets pushed up out of, so why not just add it to that? So I did it and it worked perfectly. However, the caveat is that it needs to appear every time you scroll down. So from anywhere it needs to appear. And I actually have a solution for that. So it's interesting. I stepped away from my computer for like an hour because my brain was fried. And then I came back and it was like, boom, solution. I was like, yeah, great.
Nice.
Awesome. I'm almost like Jacob, where I can fall asleep and dream of the solution, but I'm not quite there yet.
That's dope, though, man. That's really cool. And what's dope is that the gift that you sent over, I realized, was on your iPhone SE.
Yep.
Which is like the smallest screen that we really need to worry about, and it looks great. So
Yeah.
It's gonna be good.
Yeah, so I'm all alone in the office. No one's been here. And now I know what Jack feels like.
That's awesome, man. It looks great.
No, I had to scratch all that, so.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just saying.
But yeah, I should have it done fairly quickly, so I'm gonna try to have it done by tonight. It was estimated to take a few days, but I think I found a solution. So we'll see. We'll see what happens.
What are you thinking? You care to talk about it, or would you rather not right now? Or
Oh, what am I thinking about the solution?
yeah.
Oh, yeah. So, basically, you can't put, or you can, but Apple strongly advises against putting a table view inside of another UI scroll view. It has a lot of inconsistencies if you do that. And so what I'm going to do is create a separate function that has a UI scroll view as a parameter. And then I'm going to be offsetting. So basically, I'm going to be constraining the top view to I'm giving it or the top constraint of the view a range, and then as the user scrolls up or down, I'm going to compress or expand based on that. So, and it's going to animate.
Yeah, this is actually one of the things that I was thinking about back when I was working on the project.
Mm-hmm.
And the way I was thinking about approaching it was having a view above that table view in between the player or whatever, or that info box and the table view.
Mm-hmm.
And then once you detect you started scrolling, you could animate that sub view, up out of the way behind the player or pull it down either way. So,
Mm-hmm.
by animating your constraints.
Yeah. That's basically what I'm going to be. I'm going to be doing. I think. Anyway, that's what. Well, I'm going to try that solution, and then we'll see if it works.
All right. Cool.
Dope, man.
That's what I've been working on today.
Word up.
I'm actually coding again, and I'm happier than I've been in a long time. So this is good.
That's good.
Coding
let-
is joy.
I'll let Jason go here in just a second, but real quick, I wanted to report Caleb couldn't make it, but he said that he worked on some TVOS feature yesterday and then switched gears back to focus on the book and YouTube thumbnails. But I think his big priority right now is going to be the book until we get that all wrapped up. So I just wanted to mention that. What's up, Jason?
What's up, man?
Nothing, dog. What's that behind you there?
My front door. I walked in through that door 30 minutes ago.
No, the
That's
pink fuzzy
actually
thing.
that's his nightie.
This is my cute little bunny hat that I wear
Oh, okay.
when I'm helps me work fast.
Cool.
But yeah, I just got back from Utah like 30 minutes ago, so it feels super good to be back here. And I've got the entire house to myself for 3 weeks, so I might, I'm gonna miss my family. But the great news is that means I can be a workaholic and not feel guilty. So that's exciting. I can work like until 2 a.m, and it doesn't matter.
Does that mean you're gonna hang out at the office with us?
Yeah, dude. If it stops raining, all I have is my motorcycle.
Party.
Just Uber.
So, yeah, dude, Uber's so expensive. I took Uber from Slow to here, and it was $30.
It's crazy.
Why? Wait, why did you?
It was only like 50
Oh, yeah,
miles.
that's right.
So, but anyways, on my flight, I finished reading that entire web development book. I knocked out like, I don't know, 12 chapters or something. So tonight I'm going to start outlining. There's a bunch of like tie-up stuff that I have to do tonight with Facebook campaigns and some marketing stuff. And then I'm going to be able to put together my outline for the web development course. After everything that I've read, I'm going to build the rest of my project out tonight, build an outline for it so that I can hit the ground running tomorrow and start recording. So yeah, I'm here to make it happen.
Sweet, man.
Awesome, dude. Good work.
That's it. Thanks.
Anybody else got anything, or are we wrapping it up for tonight?
I'm good.
All right.
I don't have much, so I'm dead.
I think Mark was out of town, so he couldn't join us. So
Where's
Anyway.
Smart?
He's in Santa Barbara.
Okay,
He's slacking.
cool. Sounds like it.
Well, he gave all of his responsibilities to Evan, so now he has nothing to do.
He's delegated everything.
Yep. He's like, well, I'm gonna go whale watching.
Uh-oh. All right, guys. Good stuff.
all right,
see you
man.
Bye.
We'll see you guys.
Peace.